Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a custom 404 page in WordPress to enhance your website's user experience. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already there, you can access it by going to wordpress.com and then sign in your account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the left side of your web page and look for the appearance in the menu. So here, and then once you hover your cursor to the appearance menu, a submenu will appear. Please choose editor. Now, this is where your creativity comes into play. You can design your 404 page to match the look and feel of your website. So, to edit, please locate to the template, click on it, and then choose page 404. Now, add a friendly message, maybe a search bar and links to important pages on your site. So to edit, just click and then you can then edit the text here and also this search bar. So please don't forget to save your changes by clicking the publish or update or save button on your end, depending on whether you're creating a new page or editing an existing one. So once you're already done saving the new page that you are editing, that's it. You now know how to create a custom 404 page in WordPress. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that when your visitors stumble upon a broken link, they're met with a helpful and user-friendly page instead. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a custom 404 page in WordPress. See you on my next video. Before we part ways, remember that your 404 page is an opportunity to engage your visitors even when things go wrong. So make it informative, welcoming, and in line with your website style.